Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got an old laptop collecting dust, or you're just tired of Windows slowing you down, you're in the right place. Today, we are counting down the 5 best lightweight Linux distros for beginners in 2026 distros that are fast, easy to use, and won't eat up your RAM for breakfast. And trust me, even if you've never touched Linux before, these picks will make you feel right at home. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 5, we have Linux Lite. Think of Linux Lite as the welcome mat of the Linux world. It's built on Ubuntu, which means software installation is dead simple. And the desktop looks a lot like Windows, so if you're making the switch, the learning curve is almost zero. It runs smoothly on machines with as little as 1 gigabyte of RAM, and it comes with everything you need out of the box: a browser, an Office suite, and a media player. For anyone who's just dipping their toes into Linux for the first time, Linux Lite is like training wheels that actually look cool. At number 4, Puppy Linux. And yes, the name is adorable, but don't let that fool you. Puppy Linux is tiny, we're talking around 300 megabytes in size, and it can actually run entirely from your RAM, which makes it insanely fast. We're talking boot times that'll make your jaw drop. It's perfect for very old hardware, even machines from 2005 or earlier. The interface is a bit quirky compared to modern desktops, but once you get used to it, you'll love how snappy everything feels. Great pick if speed is your has-own priority. Number 3 is one of my personal favorites, Zorin OS Lite. Zorin is designed specifically for people coming from Windows or Mac OS, and it shows. The desktop is polished, it looks modern, and it even has a layout switcher that can make it look like Windows 11 or Mac OS with a single click. The Lite version uses the XFCE desktop, which keeps things light while still looking absolutely gorgeous. It runs well on machines with 2 gigabytes of RAM, and the software center makes installing apps a breeze. If you want Linux to feel familiar and beautiful from day one, Zorin OS Lite is your best bet. Coming in at number 2, MX Linux. MX Linux has been consistently one of the most popular Linux distros in the world for years now, and for good reason. It strikes the perfect balance between being lightweight and being feature-rich. Under the hood, it's based on Debian, which makes it rock-solid stable. It uses the XFCE desktop and includes a set of custom MX tools, little utilities, that make system management super easy, even for beginners. It runs on 1 gigabyte of RAM and handles older hardware beautifully. Plus, the community is massive, so if you ever get stuck, help is just a forum post away. And at number 1, the best lightweight Linux distro for beginners in 2026, it's Linux Mint with the XFCE edition. Linux Mint has earned its reputation as the most beginner-friendly Linux distro out there, and the XFCE edition brings that same friendliness to lower-end hardware. It needs only 2 gigabytes of RAM, but it feels incredibly responsive even on older machines. What makes Mint special is its software manager, its built-in update manager, and a driver installation tool that just works, no terminal commands needed. It's the closest Linux gets to a plug-and-play experience. The community is huge, the documentation is excellent, and almost every beginner question has already been answered somewhere online. For most people watching this video, Linux Mint XFCE is the one to start with, full stop. And there you have it, the 5 best lightweight Linux distros for beginners in 2026. Quick recap: Linux Lite for the Windows to Linux switcher, Puppy Linux for ancient hardware and pure speed, Zorin OS Lite for a polished modern feel, MX Linux for the perfect balance of lightweight and powerful, Linux Mint XFCE, the best all-round beginner pick. If you're not sure where to start, just go with Linux Mint, you won't regret it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below telling me which distro you're going to try first. I read every single one. See you in the next one.